Today we have a one owner 2015 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport, 20,000 miles, clean AutoCheck, comes with a 30-day dealer warranty. Let's give you a look at it. You will notice it does have the aggressive Mitsubishi styling. It does have the split grille with plastic inserts, chrome trim around it. Headlights also have the chrome trim and has the fog lights. And this is the Octane blue metallic color. You can see the wheels are an 18-inch alloy. And the tires are around half to 3/4 tread. They are Nexans. Also notice turn signals are integrated right into the front fender on these. It does come with the factory Mitsubishi vent visors. If you look inside, you'll see it's black on black. Cloth seating. Does have the nice kick panels on the doors there with your Outlander Sport logos on them. Back seats, there's quite a bit of room back there for being a smaller type SUV. You will notice it's kind of hard to see, but it does have the nice WeatherTech floor mats in there, which are pretty darn nice to have, especially in the winter to save your carpets. Rear tires, right the same as the front, around half tread, maybe a little better. Bring you around the back, you see the badging, Outlander Sport 4-wheel drive. It does have rear frost, rear wiper. It does have a nice heavy WeatherTech floor mat in the back. It's a couple $100 alone just for that. Here's your spare tire, wheel, you've got your jack, your wheel wrenches, all the tools you need if you were to have a flat along the road. The wheels are all in good shape. There's no chipping or curb rash or anything on the wheels. Open the door, show you on the driver's door, you have your power windows, locks, mirrors. Just inside the door on the dash, you have your traction control, you have your switch for your headlights, your information display screen, and on the steering wheel, you have your settings for the radio, you have your voice activation, telephone, Bluetooth settings, cruise control. And we show you the odometer, which just went out. I'll light that back up for you. You'll see the current mileage is 20,725. It does have some neat trim in here. It's kind of a dark brushed aluminum carbon fiber look trim. And there you have your AM/FM CD radio, where you can run your Bluetooth and hook your phone and all that stuff up through there. Go down to that, you see your heating and air conditioning controls and your automatic shifter. You'll see here there's a button where you can pull that back and you can actually shift up and down manually if you choose to do that. Come back to your 4-wheel drive button, couple cup holders, your emergency brake. And you see down in your center console, you have another 12-volt power source down there. All in all, it's a pretty nice vehicle. There's no real smell of any pep or smoke smell inside. No rips or tears or anything on the carpeting or the seating. I'm going to start this up and give you a look under the hood. It's also nice and clean under the hood. This particular vehicle has the 2.0 liter variable valve timing engine, which is a pretty good little engine. You get pretty amazing fuel mileage for being an SUV. You can get anywhere around upper 20s to even 30 miles per gallon out of this car, depending on your driving habits in the city. Well, on the highway, in the city it's slightly lower. We get around 24, 25 around town. One last thing we are going to do on the video is I'm going to walk you around and we're going to show you any blemishes that we see. You'll notice the front of the bumper and the very nose of the hood, there's a few small stone chips, which is pretty common for a used vehicle. There are 3 little scrapes on the top of the back bumper. 1, 2, and 3. They're all small, around a half inch long. It's pretty common for these SUVs to see that. People loading and unloading stuff in the back and they just scrape it across there. Other than that, it looks to be a pretty clean unit. It is, like I said, it is a good looking little SUV, especially in that bright blue. If you think you might be interested in coming to take a look or even set up a test drive, you can look us up on our website. It's www.thomasata.com, or better yet, you can give us a call. Number here is 717-485-4224. Thank you.